Good afternoon, everybody. This afternoon is a private conference of fall civil works. Let's all stand for the prayer.
Let's pray. Almighty God, our praise and thank you for this day. You have given us another opportunity to appreciate life and to fulfill our relationships and to please you. Inspire us to wash your presence. Let us to return to peace. We will learn to follow the lives of your sons. Our families as our endeavors, especially today, to not to be with others. May us in our discussions. And let them remind us of the decisions we make. We appreciate your situation to apply to service. As well as programs and projects in the future and how to teach their major knowledge. All this we ask for Jesus' name.
No. I request the Secretariat for the attendees for this activity.
Good afternoon. And for attendees for this afternoon activity, we have here our vice back chairperson, Engineer Verio Galio. For our back members, we have Engineer Francisca Malcon, Engineer Ron Ortiz, Engineer May Tagliano, and Ms. Joy Duspar. And for our back DPWH, we have Engineer Jonalyn Morsha, Mr. Ben Vincent Lim, and Ms. Margie Chavez. And for the back sec member, we have Ms. Cherry Chinesca and Ms. Ebony Galio. And we have here a representative from Planning and Design Section, Engineer Edsel Cabilangoso. We don't have any representative from prospective leaders attended this afternoon private conference.
For contract ID 25GE0024 with contract name Preventive Maintenance of Road, Asphalt Overlay at specific locations along Guimaras Circumferential Road and 0028GR kilometer 000 plus minus 114 to kilometer 6 plus 799 S0029GR kilometer 00 plus minus 449 to kilometer 00 plus minus 020. Location, San Miguel, Alagitok at Poblacion, Nueva, Guimaras. Approved budget for the contract, 49,788,210 pesos. Source of funds, FY 2025 National Expenditure Program Early Procurement Activity. Contract duration, 74 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Number 2, contract ID 25GE0025. Contract name, construction of slope protection structure, construction of Atgang Riverbank slope protection structure along Guimaras Circumferential Road, Barangay San Isidro, Sibunag, Guimaras. Location, Sibunag, Guimaras. Approved budget for the contract, 29,400,000 pesos. Source of funds, FY 2025 National Expenditure Program, Early Procurement Activity. Contract duration, 214 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Number 3, contract ID 25GE0026 with contract name construction of concrete road, construction of crossing David-Biantao Road, Barangay Poblacion, Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras, with location at Poblacion, Nueva, Valencia, Guimaras, with an approved budget for the contract of 9,900,000 pesos. Source of funds, FY 2025 National Expenditure Program, Early Procurement Activity. Contract duration, 65 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos. The scope of works for 25 GE 0024, Part B other general requirements, Part E surface courses, Part H miscellaneous structures. The scope of works for 25 GE 0025, Part B other general requirements, Part C earthworks, Part F bridge construction, Part G drainage and slope protection structures, and Part H miscellaneous structures. The scope of work for 25 GE 0026, Part B other general requirements, Part C earthworks, Part D sub-base and base course, Part E surface courses, Part G drainage and slope protection structures, and Part H miscellaneous structures. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0024 RRA road rehabilitation asphalt. With similar categories of works, RCA roads construction asphalt. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0025 FCSPS flood control construction slope protection using structural measures. For similar categories of works, RCSPS roads construction slope protection using structural measures, example revetment, retaining structures, and wire net. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control, example revetment, retaining structures, and wire net. FHC, ports, harbors, causeway, and FHD, flood control, hydraulics, dam. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0026 RCP roads construction PCCP. Similar categories of works are RP roads rehabilitation PCCP, RCTP roads construction panel PCCP. Qualifiers must have completed the construction and reblocking including base course covering 50% of the item of the work of the project. May include airport, runways, taxiways, and aprons. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0024 and 25 GE 0025 are as follows. Size range medium A, license category B, single largest project above 10 million up to 100 million pesos. Allowable range of contract cost up to 100 million pesos. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0026 are as follows. Size range small b, license category C and D, single largest project about 500,000 up to 10 million pesos. Allowable range of contract cost up to 15 million pesos. The general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specifications, drawings, and bill of quantities can be downloaded at DPWH website and Preventive website. These are the documents comprising the bid, legal documents, Belgium's registration, SIC registration or DTI registration, year's permit, and tax clearance. For technical documents requirements, statement of ongoing contracts, statement of bidder single largest completed contracts, pickup license or special pickup joint venture license, bid security, organizational chart, list of contractors' major equipment, list of contractors' minimum materials testing equipment, omnibus sworn statement, ITR and financial statement, in FCC computation, and valid joint venture agreement if applicable. For financial documents requirements, financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimates including summary sheet, quarterly, monthly cash flow, and payment schedule. All documents shall be printed in A4 format, tabbed, and bounded. Please attach the bidding documents in the technical component of your bid. For the bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedures should be observed following DEO 87-2020. Number 1, submission of electronic official receipt of purchase of the bidding documents. Number 2, confirmation of the electronically submitted official receipt. Number 3, preparation, submission, and submission of an electronic bid. Number 4, modification of an electronic bid. Number 5, non-participation in the bidding. Number 6, withdrawal of electronic bid. Number 7, opening of the electronic bid. And number 8, final convention in case of a joint venture bidder. Bid opening for 25 GE 0024, 25 GE 0025, and 25 GE 0026 shall be on December 5, 2024, Thursday, 9 a.m. at second floor bidding room DPWH Guimaras District Engineering Office, San Miguel Hordan, Guimaras. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend. Late bids shall not be accepted. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat for manual submission or at electronicbids_Guimaras at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before December 5, 2024 at 9 a.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in ITB Clause 18. So any clarifications for the 3 civil works projects? So since there are no further clarifications,